In this video, we are going to learn about prepositions in English. A preposition defines as a word which connects a noun or a pronoun to a word of a verb. Let's see the uses of prepositions. The prepositions are used to show the direction of something or someone. The preposition can refer to the time of something or someone, and also a preposition denotes the position and location of someone or something. These are the three main rules of the prepositions. Let's see some of the preposition words in, out, at, on, from, to, behind, before, in front of, between, etc. As we have seen the uses of prepositions, let's divide those prepositions into types of prepositions. Preposition of time. It shows when something is or was happening. The words of prepositions on, to, from, after, until, during. These are the some of the preposition words of time. Let's see one example. I was on time. I traveled during the rainy season. The second one, preposition of place. It shows the position or the place of the object. Some of the preposition words on, behind, between, over, etc. Let's see the example. The bus is traveling over the bridge. The boy is hiding himself behind a tree. Let's see preposition of direction. It shows direction of something moves or travels. Let's see some of the words of preposition of direction. Toward, into, to, from. Let's see the example. He is traveling from Vijayawada to Hyderabad. He is walking towards the park. The other one, preposition of location. It shows the location of the object. Some of the words of the preposition of location. At, in, on. Example, I am at the bus stop. I am traveling in the car. I hope you understand the prepositions of English. And let's see some more examples in the next video. I hope these videos are useful to you. If these are really useful to you, please do share and subscribe to Addis Learning Zone. Thank you.